All right, good morning. So we are doing yoga by Dana. Today is half and half yoga, where we'll spend 30 minutes doing standing postures. And the second half will be more on our back, doing more relaxation postures. All right, I'm grabbing blocks, having those ready to go. Start at the top of the mat. This is Hondo, he's my assistant, but he's still in training, a little rough around the edges. Get it, rough. Okay. All right, here we go. Take a deep breath in. There we go. Embrace the day, deep breath. Let it go. Deep breath in. Let it go. Let's bring the hands up overhead, mountain pose. And go back. Get some lift. Take your right wrist up and over to the left. I'm going to change my camera angle just slightly. Go ahead and drop that left arm. And pick it right back up over to the other side. Take your left wrist up and over. Watch that left hip. See if you need to bring it back. Drop the right arm. Bring it right back up. And forward fold. There's your blocks. You don't have to use them. I find that they're a little bit easier on my wrists. In your fold, grab your elbows, ragdoll. Practice letting the weight go from the heels to slightly more the middle of the feet. Drop a little bit more. And picking up the blocks, slowly roll up to stand. Shoulders down, back. From the top, breathe in, mountain pose. From here, hold. Step your right foot back, warrior one. Shifting the hips more forward. Pressing into the outer edge of the right foot. Deepen that lunge. Airplane arms. To a forward fold. Tuck your chin, round your back, rise. Breathe in, mountain pose, hold. Step your left foot back, warrior one. Hips are forward. Airplane arms. Forward fold. Breathe in halfway. Now we're introducing parade rest. Your hands are on your back. Coming up, already putting your shoulders in the back pocket. Pull in the belly. Press through your feet and rise. Let your shoulders roll down your back. And we're going to add on. Breathe in, mountain pose. Right foot back, warrior one. Airplane arms. Getting really low. All right, we're gonna take our hands to the blocks and shift over to the right. You get my back side. This is our wide straddle fold. Practice bringing the weight a little bit forward in the feet. Big twist. Hold your right hand on the block. You're gonna open, extend the left arm. That goes into a half bind. Right shoulder open, support your head. Unwind. Other side. Careful with, it's very tempting to shift all the weight into that hip. Try to stay in the middle. Fine. Forward fold. You're in our wide straddle. All right, so now we're going to bend and open the left foot. You're going to bring that left hand into your inner thigh. The right foot really exact. You're pressing down on your 3 points and letting the toes be light. And that's going to pull on this inner thigh. Big, big stretch. Option to add an extension from the arm, but let it be from the ribs. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And come on back. Reset. Bend and open the right foot. Take a look at the left foot. All 3 points, pressing down. Toes are light. Bending the arm. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. To a reset. Toes forward. Great rest. Pick it up. Work through your feet. Shoulders in your back pocket. And take it back in. Got your blocks. Pivot to the left. Step together. Fold forward. Breathe in. Great rest. And rise to the end. Great. Top. Breathe in. Mountain pose. Keeping those arms up there. Left foot steps back. Warrior one. Airplane arms. The chest lead the way. We're really lunging. You're gonna feel this in the right quad and right glute. All right, sink into the blocks, pivot to the left, wide straddle. Left hand down. Twist open to the right. Breathing in. And a half bind. Breathing out. Breathing in. Reset. Here we go. Other side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Have fun. Breathe out. Set. Breathe out. Open the right knee, right foot. Empower the left foot. Extend the right arm. Breathe in. Breathe in. Open a little more. Nice. Reset. Breathe out. Now let's open the left side, left foot, left knee. Empower the right foot. Extend the left arm. Support the head. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Reset. In the fold. Great rest. Rise to stand. And going right back down. This time from the chest. We're mimicking a deadlift at the gym. Grab your blocks. Ninja to the right. To a forward fold. Breathe in halfway. Exhale, great rest. Pull your belly in before you ever get going. And rise. And let the shoulders down your back. All right, so starting at the top, breathe in, mountain pose. Right foot steps back, warrior one. Airplane arms. So we're going to step together, chair pose. Eagle arms, wrap them around. Breathe in. Breathe out. Get that booty way back there. Breathe in. Breathe out. Untangle the arms. Step the right foot back. Warrior two. Bring the glutes underneath. Breathe. Breathe out. So I'm gonna name this A-frame. Looking up, press the palms together. Those legs are straight. Then return to the warrior two. So A-frame becomes our transition. And again, A-frame to a reverse warrior. A-frame. Extended side. Eyes low. Eyes look up. A frame. Triangle pose. Straight around. Eyes down. Eyes look up. Right, use your core. A frame. Warrior two. Do a forward fold. Breathe in, flat spine. Out. Great breaths. Shoulders in the back pocket. Right. On the side two. Breathe in. Mountain pose. The left foot is back. Warrior one. Airplane arms. Going to put those feet together. Chair pose. The arms go to eagle arms. Breathe in. This is a nice stretch for the rhomboids. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. We'll unravel the arms, chair pose, going into warrior two. Introduce the A frame. A frame. Warrior two. A frame. Reverse warrior. You can already feel length in the right side body. A frame. Extended side bend. Look up. A frame. Trikonasana. Triangle pose. Travel up. Using core. A frame. Warrior two. Forward fold. All right, let's go ahead, widen the fold and turn the feet out, coming into frog. Frog feels a little heavy, a little more horizontal. We've got some lift in the chest. Let's get a little lift in the lower body. Place your hands on your thighs. And now we twist. You're dropping your right shoulder. Nice. And look over to the left. Gently nudging the whole thigh outward. Which side? Adventure. Goddess pose. Star. Goddess pose. Back down, frog. And finding your blocks, straighten up. Pull your feet back towards hip width distance. Great, rest. Rise. Shoulders down on your back. Okay, breathe in. Mountain pose. Right foot steps back. Warrior one. Airplane arms. We're going to add on one more thing here. You're going to take your blocks and move into pyramid pose. Step together, chair pose. With eagle arms. The breath in. Unravel, chair pose. Going into warrior two, right foot step back. Okay, A-frame. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, A-frame to a reverse warrior. Breathe in, A-frame. Extended side bend. Down. Lift the eyes as you lift your core. Big breath, A-frame. Triangle pose. Down. A-frame. Warrior two. Forward fold. Great rest. Rise. Shoulders down when you're back. We got one more side. Breathe in. Mountain pose. Left foot back. Warrior one. Airplane arms. Lead with the chest, strong in the right foot. Grab the blocks, pyramid pose. Step together, chair pose. With eagle arms. Breathe in, lift the elbows. Drop the elbows. Unravel, chair pose. Warrior two, the left foot back. Breathe in, A-frame. Warrior two. Breathe in A-frame. Reverse warrior. Breathe A-frame. Extended side bend. Have eyes down. Breathe in A-frame. Triangle pose. Up. A-frame. To a warrior two. Forward fold. Great rest. Shoulders roll down and back. Actually, venture. It's a well-rounded. Namaste to you. Great. We're going to take about a 2-minute break and then we'll reset down. A block, at least one strap and one block, all the way down. Bend your knees. Get in touch with the backside body. The head is already heavy. Oh, I'm gonna actually swap around. Oh. From the head, across the shoulders, down the back. No space. You breathe in, you really are breathing into the floor. That should help you feel it. Bring our knees into the chest. Good squeeze. Rock side to side. And have a circular motion. Focus is on and it still gets through. Crazy. Make sure. And the knees fall over to the right. Stacking, replacing a little extra weight. The left shoulder is nice and heavy, dropping into the floor. And rolling your head over to the left side. And the left arm circles around, finding space along the route, especially overhead, and you follow. The right leg will become your next anchor. Already, gentle pressure helps bring your legs around. And we're going to the other side. The right shoulder grows very heavy. Now rolls to the right. Right arm, circle around. Lengthen as you go. Follow. The left leg becomes your anchor. Help you on your back. Froggy circle. Bathing and lubricating all of the connections, the ligaments that support and connect the femur to the pelvis. That way. Notice what sensations come up, and it immediately the registration in the mind is pain. Try to get more exact in your description. Is it pressure? Is it a up, pinch? Now you take the right leg and let the left leg go. Pressing out through the heat. Squeeze this right knee, pull in tight. Extending the leg upwards, focusing on the foot, spread the toes. Turn for your ankle. So the ankle again, another ligament, does not carry its own blood supply. Your methodical movements do. You are thus keeping your ankle fresh, lubricated for better mobility and less stiffness. Going the opposite direction. Now point flex rapidly. and hold flex. Bring your hands closer to the ankle. The arms drop out. Point your toes. We'll go into a pedaling. Flex. Begin to lower your leg. We get close to the ground where you'll bring it right back in with a pointed toe. Pointing upwards. That's it. Flex the heel and down again. As you point, you're breathing in. As you flex, you're breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Forward. Breathe in. Out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, lower towards the ground. Prepare to use your abdominals. We'll hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll bring the knee back in one more time. We're going to grab the foot. Little love. You're going to slide in the left leg for pigeon pose. Bring the legs in a little closer. Dropping down, cross, twist your pigeon. Roll, bending the right arm, opening the shoulder, saddling the back of the shoulder. It's the expansion of your hips. Contraction. Left ankle becomes your anchor. Come on to the back. Lay down the right leg. And shake it up. Bring in your left knee. Really good and snug. Extend the leg. Spread your toes. Circle. Ankle. Sit direction. Point flex, point flex. You're gently warming up tibialis anterior, gastrocnemius, soleus. Full flexed. Bring your hands closer to the ankle. A deep stretch for the hamstring, right to the point where they insert into the sit bone. The arms relax and point your toes. Relax. Slowly lower the leg, going into the bicycle. Breathing in. Breathing out. To in. Relax, breathe. In. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathing in. Breathing into. Exhale, breathe on hold. Abdominal strength. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend, we'll take it in. Turn the foot in, knee touch. Bring in the other leg, supine pigeon. Close. Into the twist. To the left. Settle your back body. Turn the head to the left. You're using the right side of the right foot as your anchor in order to come onto your back. And then tabletop relax. Keeping the pelvis lifted. Simply settling down, dropping the shoulders, making the little sandwich, the belly to the spine, to the floor. Little butterfly. You open the knees. As you close the knees, push away. That's it. Breathe in, pressing in. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in. Breathe in. Four. 30. 2. 1. Keep the knees open so that you're strapped. You can wrap around both feet. When you're ready, hoist up the legs to a supported shoulder stand. Soften your knees if you need less intensity in the hamstrings. Wide strap. It's like we did earlier in our standing posture. We just flipped our world. Pull the legs. More tummy legs towards the body. Get a little bit of lift. Pelvis off the floor to make sure that the sacrum is good and flat. Tabletop the legs. The strap weighs nothing, just let it go. You begin to straighten out the legs. Full body stretch. Feel your spine responding, lengthen. Down. Leg shake a little. Lift your right arm. And it goes. Left arm. Down. Your right leg. And the body is heavy. The body is trusting that the floor will not give way. The mind is calm. The body is resting. Thank you for joining us today for Yoga by Dana's half and half yoga. I hope this gave you a good taste of what we do. It's every Friday at 10. And I hope you can join us live. If the light within you, love and shine in light within you.